Well, hello, Robert Heffernan with EndoTech. This Blockchain Vitals, our daily show talking cryptocurrencies, items in the matrix. I'm a master endotechnician, and we're talking cryptos, and it's Monday. I mean, not Monday. It's May Day. It is the 1st of May, already in Asia. So good morning in Asia, and you know what that means? That means we have a monthly fractal roll, and very important to take a look at the monthly. What are the important levels on the monthly now, especially in the standard deviation modeling? You don't come along monthly numbers all that often, but when you do, you best pay attention not only to the chart setup, the slope of lines, where the levels are, but also giving you a fantastic picture of the potential in the market. Anyway, we're going to cover that in the vital section, but first let's do the rounds. Doing the rounds, I meant to cover this last night and I forgot to. The rounds is my chance to talk about a headline or a tweet or something that I'm seeing, and this headline caught my eye, talking about Bitcoin dominance, moved to 2019 highs. Is this the start of the crypto decoupling? What do you mean the start of crypto decoupling? The start? Are you kidding me? Have you looked at the cross charts? I mean, Bitcoin is crushing the rest of the field up until, today there was a bit of a catch up, not mustard, but a bit of a catch up from some of the other coins against Bitcoin. But Bitcoin has been leading the way, and I'll say it again, the two best charts for me are Bitcoin and BNB, and Litecoin, actually, now that I look at the monthly roll, looking fairly healthy also. But we're going to cover that in the vitals section. But I don't think the crypto decoupling this is just the start, all right? It's already been going on. The other thing that I think that's going to be important here, and I'm telling you right now that, if large institutional money starts more and more coming in and dabbling and attaining positions, they are not likely to be wanting to dabble in smaller market cap coins and coins that don't have liquidity to move back out of. So I really think that Bitcoin is set to be the benefit of big money coming in, and that's the way I'm looking at it. I think it looks the best on the crosses with the rest of the field, and that's what I'm seeing. Anyway, let's take the vitals. Taking the vitals, my chance to talk about actual actionable price discovery going on. And right now, Bitcoin at Bitfinex trading 56.24, and trying to take out. I mean, the first place that I'm looking at on resistance is the high from April 24th, up at 56.90 for Bitcoin. So that's going to be a roadblock for sure. Now, plenty of room on the weekly as that collar's up at 64.42. But the big number here is that monthly moving average. Now, last month that was at 58.06. This month dropped down to 56.60. And what I'm seeing on the monthly chart is the bands are starting to round, and we don't have explosive, or we don't have upward potentiality just yet. But the slope for sure has declined, and with the $1,500 range in April for Bitcoin, give or take, plenty of room here. And the thing you have to understand about this analysis is that as the very high months are dropping off that we saw at the last of 17 and the beginning of 18, these bands are going to become much more reactive to price discovery, especially upward price discovery. So I really think if we put in another solid green candle for the month of May, that we're going to completely change the setup here on that monthly chart in Bitcoin. And I relish the opportunity to talk about an explosive monthly chart in Bitcoin. It is not quite there just yet. There's still a ton of potential in this chart, though. All right, so 5660 is that monthly moving average. The monthly up momentum, the MUM, hello MUM, 7138 to give you the idea of the potentiality in the market. And that would put us right back onto another $1,500 range. Sometimes I'll do math like that. I'll just do it quick in my head. Anyway, that's what I'm seeing of Bitcoin. And right now, trading strong. Lots of room here. 5690. Also, the up momentum collar on the daily. So a couple different roadblocks there. The previous high, 5690 area on Bitfinex, and 5690 also the upmo collar. First time up there, I would think it would be a little bit difficult to get through, but I think we have a lot of room on the longer term outlook for this coin. All right, I'm going to say goodbye to the YouTube crowd, and I apologize if the stream is choppy, and I will re-upload this for your viewing pleasure. All right, see you later, YouTube. All right, continuing here.